Hey, TotalGeek here, and today we're going to learn how to mine Dogecoin. And now this is a cryptocurrency that's gotten real popular ever since they started funding the Jamaican bobsled team. So let's take a look at how we can mine some of this and hopefully turn from rags to riches. So to start off, it'd be very wise to get the latest graphic drivers for your graphics card. This can make a pretty big difference with your mining hash rates later down the road. And so let's get started. This guide is assuming that we will be using an AMD graphics card, and I will post another video on how to mine with an NVIDIA card. So the first thing to do is to find a pool that you like. The pool is basically where a bunch of miners come together and look for a block together, and then once they find the block, depending on how many shares they've mined, it then gets distributed proportionally. Now, if you could mine by yourself, but that could take weeks, maybe months to find a block. So this way, you get your payout a lot sooner. So once you find your pool that you like, I just am using Poolerino, and actually, you know what? I believe I have my public mining account on Fastpool. So let me just log in. Let's try that again. And the third time is hopefully the charm. Alright, so now that we're in, it'll show you some of the servers to use. This is what you'll eventually type into your mining program. And we will be using GUI miner script. So go back to the home page. The pool will usually tell you the fields to enter for your miner, either on the home page or on the getting started page. And we'll just do it on the home page. It looks like it's a little simpler. And so once you're logged into the pool, you next should be getting some type of miner. And since we will be mining Dogecoin for today's purposes, you would need to get the SCRYPT version that works with Litecoin and all the alternate coins that have ever popped up that are based on Litecoin, since it uses SCRYPT. Now note, this will not work with Bitcoin. So just download that, save that baby. But for the purposes of this video, we already have it up and running. Let's see where it is. Well, looks like it wasn't running. Just gotta do that. Alright, so once you have that, you would just need to start entering this information into some of the fields. And once you get GUI miner up, let's just do new miner and new CG miner. That works with AMD cards. Let's just name this video. So go over to video, and you just need to type in the host, which is this stratum information that they have right here. But I will show you that you do not need to enter the prefix. So we can start right there. And just got to enter in the port, which looks like it's 3001. Username. This can be a little tricky for some semi-geeks out there. Basically, this is your username that you log into this pool with, along with your worker. So let's name this just video. You can see I had some other takes here. And we'll just enter the password as 1. So we created a new worker, and we just need to enter this information now. So TotalGeek is what we logged in with in the top. Dot worker name, so video. And then the password we created was just 1. It's not the password with your login to the pool, it's just the password for the worker. And device, this allows you to either use any of the devices that can mine coins on your computer. So it's asking me if I want to use my processor or my Cape Verde graphics card. I'm of course going to do the graphics card because it works a lot quicker. Then the rest is easy. You just find your AMD graphics card in the GPU defaults. This is why I love GUI miner script. And since we have a 7770, it just fills in the rest of the fields, and you click start. and right here it'll say your hash rate. And once you see this and you see that shares are accepted, you are golden. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you get super rich, share it a little bit. That's all I gotta say. Feel free to check out TotalGeek.co for any more tutorials, news, videos, and reviews. Thanks a lot, guys.